Oh, what it is? Yo, what's good?
What's good? What's to you? I love your hat.
Thank you. I love your lady. I love your trans. I mean your.
Um,
But just
my my what?
your Badussy.
Oh.
He clocked my tea. Don't clock my tea. Like,
Hi.
don't clock my tea. Hey, oh,
You're a baddie. Like you're so oh my god.
thanks.
You're welcome. Like oh my god. You look so, you look like bad as fine as what the hell?
1 to 10. What's the rating?
No, you're 100. Like what?
Period. Like, period. Oh,
I can't. Are you trans?
very.
I can tell.
I'm not trying to hide it.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing at all.
Nothing's wrong with it.
So,
No, I'm saying
what now?
Well, I'm just saying your voice.
Right. Like, what's next? I'm not trying to hide it.
Nah, I'm just saying if I was blindfolded and you talk and somebody said, "Is it a man or a woman?" I would be 100% convinced.
Okay, but like I just said to you, I'm not trying to hide it. Like I just said to you. Trying to be funny.
But like, nah,
I'm not the one. I just said. I'm not trying to hide it. Okay?
I didn't hear that part. My bad.
I said it twice.
I have hearing issues.
Oh, with headphones? That's crazy.
Yeah. But like legitimate question, why?
Why does everybody keep asking that? Like,
because I want to know.
Oh my god.
I'm curious. Like,
Damn, girl, you beautiful.
Thanks.
Oh, hell no. I don't care. So.
I love his beard.
What?
Oh.
What'd you say?
I said, I love your beard.
Oh, I appreciate it.
You're welcome. You seem very
Why do you have a
hostile.
shirt? Why do you have a shirt that says "Boys Sucks"?
It's just because. And it's true.
You know that's improper grammar because it's supposed to say.
That's the point
boys.
of the shirt. That's the point of the shirt. It's the aesthetic. Like, next topic.
Huh?
Next topic. That's the point of the shirt.
Next topic.
Yes, that's the point of the shirt.
Why is your voice so low?
Cause I have a cold right now. I'm like really sick.
You have a cold, or do you have a?
Oh my god.
Bitch!
What are you doing? Okay, where you from?
From Detroit.
Detroit, okay. I'm from Florida.
Part of Florida,
From Tampa.
I was just on
When?
a week ago. Just came back.
Wow. You didn't see me, that's crazy. You're fake.
I didn't even see you lying.
That's crazy, you're fake. Like,
You said what?
you're fake. You should have saw me. You're fake.
You was ducking your shit.
I'm 6'2", I can't really duck.
You still was ducking your shit.
Boy, bye.
So just text you my number, bro. You just get over me.
About time.
Another one, thank you.
Yeah, what you fat?
Okay. Well, it was nice meeting you. Just text me.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. Bye, boo. No shade. Oh, he has nice hair. His name will be light
I
skin.
tried, I try, I try raising you up. What
Oh,
did I don't get you?
oh, that was you, Rizzy? Oh,
Oh,
you
sorry.
are not 29.
Yeah, yeah.
You are not 29. Like,
I have a question. I have a question.
hmm
All right, so everyone at my school called me homophobic, right? So I was gonna ask if you could follow my Instagram, I'll follow you back so people think I'm LGBTQ plus supportive. You feel me?
wait, so like, how come they think you're homophobic?
Because this gay guy asked me out, right? And I was like, oh my god, you're so fing gay.
That's about us. I think you are homophobic. Um,
If 2 plus 2 is 4, right? And 5 plus 5 is 10, okay. What the is this?
LGBTQ plus supportive. You feel me? I'm a ally. I'm a ally.
I
So
don't
be
think you're
like,
out.
hey,
I
be
don't think
like,
you're
hey.
out.
You know how dumb was? So
Oh.
he would damn. Okay, I'ma still say what I gotta say. Pay
Why would
attention,
you say that? Why would you like?
cause that voice caught me off guard. I ain't gonna cap. Alright, so
How dare you? Oh my god!
What's up?
What's up?
How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Spreading positivity, it's a lot of negative people in this world. So,
Period. See, finally, like this app is so ignorant. You seem
real
nice.
shit.
What's your name?
Yahweh.
That's very unique. I'm Faye.
Nice to meet you, Faye. How's your
Nice
night
to meet
going so
you.
far?
It's going good. I'm a night owl, so I've just been on Monkey, just seeing what's up. And so far, it's been cool, but you know,
Been a lot of ignorant people, I bet.
yes, you already know.
Yeah, I hate it.
It's crazy because like online, people are so different, but in person, like you never experience any of that ignorance in person. It's always like behind the screen. So,
Pretty much. Like, it's like they show their true faces on online, but try to be this different person in person, you know?
hmm
I'm out here spreading love and awareness to everybody, Like everybody deserves positivity. Yeah, I
hmm
don't know what you're going through, but if I can make your day, I'm gonna make your day. It doesn't cost me a cent to make somebody's day.
hmm
So that's why I'm out here just spreading positivity. So with that being said, just know you're amazing, unique, beautiful, and blessed. I hope you have a blessed night.
Oh my God, you too. You're very nice. Have a good night.
You too.